When you pass multiple values to the print function using commas, the print function automatically inserts a space between the values. This space is the default value of the sep parameter, and you can change it to a different string by modifying sep. Print hello world is the same as print hello world sep equals a space and the output is hello world. If you change the value of the sep parameter, for example, print hello world sep equals ... the output will be hello ... world. You can also use the end parameter to specify the string that is added at the end of the output. If you write print hello world sep equals comma space end equals exclamation mark, the sep value comma space is inserted between the values, and the end value exclamation mark is added at the end, so the output becomes hello world. Now, in the following code, print py hon prin fun sep equals a space end equals \n, modify the sep and end parameters so that the output becomes Python print function.